Hello and welcome. Let's talk about cryptography. In this lesson, we will see its definition of cryptography, and some more information. Let's begin. Cryptography. Cryptography is the science of securing information and communication by using mathematical techniques to encode and decode data, ensuring its confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity. The United States extensively uses cryptography in various domains for security and data protection. Cryptography is integral to the country's military, government, national security, financial system, healthcare, and everyday digital communication. Why we need cryptography? Cryptography is essential for securing sensitive information, ensuring confidentiality, data integrity, authentication, and secure communication. It protects against cyber threats, enables trusted digital transactions, and complies with data protection regulations.